What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So I haven't made a video for the past couple of weeks. I've been recovering at home from an injury. What I have been doing, however, is going through a lot of random YouTube videos and a lot of Instagram content. What I've actually noticed is that there's a lot of heavy marketing, a lot of products being pushed out there through marketing and advertisements about random products that claim the world. Now, what I mean by that is they've got these unreal claims, a lot of people doing reviews and using them as ads somehow, but either there's a lot of products out there that people should know about, or there's a lot of products out there that people should steer clear away from because they're a waste of money, they're absolute garbage, and there's a lot of unhappy customers. Unfortunately for me and fortunately for you guys, I'm a sucker for infomercials, a big impulse buyer when it comes to some of these products in particular. What I've done is bought 3 products over the past week and I'm going to review them and test them out to see if they actually work. The reason why I'm doing this is this whole channel is designed to help people to save them money and learn how to do things themselves. What I've bought is these ones right here. This is one of the first products, the V34 strips. They're whitening strips that claim to make your teeth instantly whiter within 30 minutes. I'm very curious to know if these things are actually going to work, or did I just waste my money, which is most likely the case, especially going off all the previous products that I've bought. The other thing that I've purchased is this little one right here. This is a window or glass cleaner that apparently is hydrophobic, I'm pretty sure that's the correct word, and prevents your window from fogging up, and it keeps it nice and crystal clear, which I absolutely love in a car. Not having foggy windows, especially during winter or the colder months. I'm curious to know if this one here is going to work. Not too expensive, but hopefully it does work because I'd really like one to work. The one that I'm super interested about is this one right here. This little product right here, not sure if you guys can see the tip right there, very, very unique shape. It's a drill bit, and this one here is designed, honestly, it's marketed to go through pretty much every material you can think of, from cement, concrete, timber, glass, porcelain tiles. Believe it or not, anyone that's drilled through porcelain tiles will know just how difficult it is. You're going to drill, damage a lot of drill bits. You're going to go through them very, very quickly. Even if you're buying specialty drill bits, which are very expensive, this one here claims to stay sharp and continue through all different materials, one after the other, without even having to use any kind of wetting agent. So just a dry drill bit. I'm very curious to know if these are going to work because they are super expensive. Once again, I'm a sucker for infomercials. I managed to buy 2 sets, believe it or not. I thought to myself, I'm going to save on shipping if they do actually work, which coming in a package like this for about $70 to $80, I really have my doubts now. But by doing these videos, I think we're going to help a lot of people out there save your money, know exactly what works, what doesn't, where to spend your money, and what doesn't. I went through my stats as well, so I'm very, very humbled and very happy and proud that I've had the opportunity to help over 150 million people. I've got over 150 million views. I'm not sure what it's up to now, but honestly, unbelievable that the reach on social media has been able to help that many people save their money, learn how to do things themselves, and empower them to just get out there and give it a go themselves. So knowing that, I thought I'd quickly buy these products. Well, maybe it was an excuse to buy these products, but we're going to find out either way if they work or if they don't. Is it a waste of money, and whether or not to steer clear from them. So if you've got any suggestions on anything that you've seen advertised and you're curious to know if they work, put them in the comment section below. But hopefully these videos are helping everyone out there. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.